Welcome to ParkBench, Maple Ridge.
Well, hello there. My name is Doc Livingston with Team Homeowners BC and eXp Realty and ParkBench. Today we have the privilege of sitting with Sherry Robinson from Centra Lawyers. Hi, Sherry.
Hi, Doc.
Sherry. Sherry is a local attorney based in Maple Ridge with a larger firm called Centra Lawyers. Describe your business to us a little bit, Sherry.
Well, we're a full-service law firm, so we basically cover most areas of law. We have a team of litigators that go to court that most people try to avoid if they can. We've got a conveyancing department, so anything to do with property. I personally am in the wills and estates and administration, so I do probate and administration. We've got a commercial lawyer here, and we've also got a family lawyer here.
So you're pretty much fully equipped to handle anything.
Yes, except for criminal law.
Except for criminal law. Well, we don't know any criminals anyway.
Go for
No.
it.
So Sherry, how did you get started in this business?
Well, the Centra Lawyers, we started 4.5 years ago, so October 2015, and myself and my 4 partners, we worked together previously at another firm, and we decided that we wanted to open up a new firm in Maple Ridge. So the 5 of us all got together and decided that we wanted to stay local. So we all live in basically either Pitt Meadows or Maple Ridge, and so we wanted to make sure that the business was here and that we could continue serving our clients that we've been working with before.
Well, you certainly do a fantastic job of that.
Oh, well, thank you.
So just out of curiosity, why did you choose this profession of being a lawyer?
Well, me personally, I've always been fascinated by the law. I used to actually watch shows like The Judge and Divorce Court when I was young, so I decided when I was about 8 that I was going to be a lawyer. And so it just kept going from there. I just knew that was going to be the path that I was going to take. And originally I did think I was going to be a criminal prosecutor. So that changed a little bit as I got more familiar with the other areas of law. But yeah, so it was something that I've always wanted to do.
So Sherry, I was curious, what was it like when you first started?
So when we opened our doors in October 2015, it was a bit of madness. We opened quite suddenly, and so we didn't even have our trust accounts. We didn't have our bank account set up yet. We literally opened our doors. We were temporarily in a small office in Maple Ridge until this office was ready for us in May of 2016. But for 6 months, we basically were in a small office. It had a few desks, it had a photocopier, it had some supplies, and we had to figure out there was this old interconnect telephone system that we weren't familiar with. You may have remember that, but we couldn't even, the phone would ring and we didn't even recognize the ring of the telephone, so we had to sort that out. And so it was a bit craziness. We would put sticky notes on each other's doors for telephone messages. It was really quite amusing. But when we think back of those days, it was, we think back of it fondly because it was just such a crazy time, but it was also a great time, right? It was an exciting time. We were starting the business. And of course, now 4 years later, we're in our new space, and it's amazing to look back and see where we've actually come from those early days. But yeah.
So that was a while ago, 4.5 years?
4.5 years now, yeah. So
well, that's exciting. Well, Sherry, I just wanted to say thank you very much. But, one thing that people ask me quite often is why did you choose Maple Ridge? Or why did you choose a particular neighborhood where you wanted to do your business?
Yeah, so I mean, as I said, we all the partners and I live in Maple Ridge or Pitt Meadows, so we definitely knew that we wanted to stay in this community. And I mean, I used to work downtown, and I didn't have as much of a business connection to Maple Ridge. I lived in Pitt Meadows, I worked downtown, but once I started working out here, it really was amazing to get to know other business owners, and you really do start to feel like a community, both personally and as well as a business community. And so you feel more connected, you want to shop locally, you want to deal business locally. So you really do, it really does change the way that you operate. And so all of us, we've found that was really important to us, to have that connection with the community. Mm-hmm. All of us are either on boards of various organizations. We definitely take part in any events that are going on around town. So we feel that that's important to stay connected and to give back to our community as well. So.
I know you're a member of the seniors organization, Ridge Meadow Professionals for Seniors.
I am, yes. I'm a member of the Ridge Meadows Professionals for Seniors, where we, other professionals like myself, we get together and just make sure that we can provide services to seniors in the community as a whole, that they don't have to be looking around. It's a one-stop shop for people to go as a resource to provide various services for various members.
Well, that's wonderful. Sherry, thank you so much for your time. I'm sure that everybody's going to be quite interested in what you had to say today. That was very interesting to me, too.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Scott. Appreciate it.
Till next time. Bye for now.